Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Technical Advice. In today's video, I will tell you how you can convert selected Excel data into an image. So you have to select that data first. I will select the data. I will press Ctrl C. Then I have to press Alt H V I. And my data has got converted into image, you can see. So I can copy and paste it anywhere. I will open Microsoft Word. And I will paste it here as an image. This is an image file. Or you can open Microsoft Paint. You can paste the same image there also. And you can save it as JPG file also. Save as JPG. You can give any name to it. ABC. Say. I will minimize it. See. This is the image file which we have just generated now. This is the image file. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.